welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm excited to share another mommy tutorial. This is just going to be an eye tutorial. I will link my first mommy tutorial, mommy glam tutorial, in the cards and down below. I really enjoy making this mommy series on my channel. Being a mother now is such an amazing experience, and talk about mommy struggles and mommy successes and show another way to do your eyeshadow in less time. This series is just really to help mothers out there and even help myself, just to keep myself encouraged to keep doing what I love to do, and that's my makeup and looking my best and feeling my best with makeup. It's just therapeutic for me. So I will be using a cream shadow. Yes, a cream shadow. I love cream shadows. You can do a look so quick and easy and out the door. So I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize cream shadow in Mona Lisa. I just love this shade. It's like this taupey gray. I just love it. It reminds me of Constructivist. Mac used to have this paint pot called this, like this shade similar. So I'm going to be using this. You've probably seen this eye look in my previous video about the wet lime gel. Something you could just do quick and out the door. But of course we're going to chit chat, so it's going to be a little bit longer. So I'm going to start off with a transition color. And I'm going to link all the eyeshadows and all the products I use. I'm using the Makeup Forever eyeshadow. It's kind of like an orangey color. And I'm going to put that above the crease. It's going to kind of give me a nice warm transition. And this is a look I could do real quick, but this is something you can do quick and easy. Cream eyeshadows are something you could just pop on a lid by itself. You don't even have to add eyeshadows to it. And I love doing this type of look with another brown shade, and just put that under in the crease actually. A little closer so you can see what I'm doing. And you don't have to use the same shades I'm using. You can use whatever's in your collection. Their transition color to be a cool color. So I want it to just be a wash. I'm going to take like a cool brown color and put this closer on the lid. So let's talk about some mommy struggles that I am having. Right now, my daughter is 16 months old. She is such a joy to be around. She's growing up so fast. But some of the struggles I'm having are bedtime. I struggle every night putting her to bed. Every night. Some nights are better than others. But I really struggle being consistent and getting her to bed. If you had that problem with your kids, or you're experiencing that right now, working through balancing mom life, being a wife, being a friend, being a sister, and just being Teddi, balance it all, making time for myself and things I enjoy. So this is why I like to sometimes, even like right now it's so late, but it's just in my spirit to share my makeup. And makeup really has gotten me through a lot of hard times. So to me, just to sit and do my makeup, to film for my YouTube channel, it is just so relaxing to me. It just kind of resets me. And just to encourage other moms to keep doing, you got to keep doing what you love to do. Take some of the outer V, managing being a stay-at-home mom, getting like housework done, energy for that, and just managing everything in the household that I have to do. Being a mom is definitely a couple of full-time jobs, But when I let the struggles overwhelm me, then I just tell myself, just think about the successes. Just being able to see my daughter grow and walk and talk, and her kisses and her love, they just mean the world to me. I love the cool and the warm mixed together, and I'm glad I brought you guys in. Sorry if the shot is cutting my head off, but I'm gonna show you the magic of the cream shadow. Okay, so here's the shade. I'm gonna put this right on the lid. And I'm not really trying to do a cut crease or anything. I'm just adding the shade to my lid. So this is gonna give me a nice wash of color on the lid. It's not too bright. It's just like a natural, neutral, cool neutral. You see the difference? You know, on a flat synthetic brush. So I'm just keeping it low and I'm patting it on. I'm not sweeping it, I'm just patting it. So this is what it's looking like. I have the gold one as well, but I feel like gold, that's such a safe color to wear. Take a smaller brush and a definer brushes, and just define the eyes further with black. And I'm using like a kind of a soft black, and I'm just gonna kind of place this in the outer V. Need a little bit of depth, but I don't want it to overpower the cream shadow. And I'm just gonna run this along my lash line, just gently. Go in and add a little bit more cream shadow, like just in the center, just so it doesn't lose that color. The final eyes with lashes, I did the lower same shades from the top, did a little bottom mascara. I guess my message for this video is just to continue to do what you love, even though you're a mother. Even if you're a beginner in makeup, you could do a cream shadow and just go out the door. You don't have to do the most like neutral, glam, soft glam look. If you guys enjoyed this, give me some thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.